Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. After the recent drone attack near Jammu Air Base, India is very eager to procure a proven and effective anti drone system to safeguard the important assets and places of defense forces. Unmanned aerial vehicles or drones are becoming more dangerous for every country since these are mostly used by many militants to remotely control and for carrying explosions or firing missiles. Such unmanned aerial vehicles are very dangerous and need to be monitored and destroyed on time. Even though DRDO came up with their anti drone system, which was put to performance during 2020 Independence Day near Red Fort, and also to provide aerial security cover during President Trump's visit to India, looks like Indian Army are looking for other options also. One option which Indian Army was considering is to go for Israeli anti-drone Smash 2000 plus systems which may be procured on an immediate basis. I have already uploaded a video on this which will provide all required details about this plan and about the Smash 2000 plus systems. You can find the video link in the top right I button or in the details section of this particular video. Another option which has come up recently is from the Big Bang Boom Solutions, which is one of the youngest startups in defense who showcased their award winning indigenous anti drone defense system as part of the Swarnim Vijay Varsh celebrations at a grand ceremony which was held at Chennai Army headquarters. To give more details about Big Bang Boom Solutions, this company was started in 2018 by Dr. Shivaraman Ramaswamy and Praveen Dwarakanath. This company managed to win two prestigious IDEX grants from the Defense Innovation Organization, and this company is on track to deliver cutting edge technology systems to the Indian Armed Forces. The Big Bang Boom Solution is a deep tech defense solution integrator, and some of the most innovative defense solutions being built by them are the T-Series unmanned tank development, next generation hybrid personal combat armor, 360-degree advanced battle interface, and anti-drone defense system. According to the founder of Big Bang Boom Solutions, Dr. R. Shivaraman, India has the ability to use its own technology to arm and support its defense forces. According to him, the anti-drone systems which were showcased have been tested in the field by various departments of the military, including the Northern Command, the Border Security Forces, Indian Air Force, and Army Design Bureau. Not only that, these anti-drone systems have undergone several field trials in the last 2 months. Their integrated system comes with the RF sensors, the RF jammers, and a suitable artificial intelligence based electro-optical infrared system. The system's open architecture allows integration of radar and hard kill solutions very easily. So let's hope these anti-drone systems finish the pending trials and get selected by the Indian Defence Forces to safeguard their assets all across the borders and the bases. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.